Good morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec back here again on this Thursday, February 15th. Don't have too much here for you at this point in time. The overnight trade was pretty much quiet. We did have the strong gains again yesterday in the meal and in the beans. The meal market making new contract highs, steady here this morning. The reason I don't have too much here for you right now is that in a few minutes we'll be getting out our weekly export sales, so we'll see what that has to say. And then at 11 o'clock we're going to get the NOPA crush numbers coming on out, so we'll see if that gives the market any near-term direction. We'll also have yesterday, part of the strength in the marketplace was the fact that mid-session there was a couple stories coming on out of Argentina. Weather guys down there talking about that there's not much chances of rains and that things aren't looking too bright going down the road. The Rosario exchange came on out. Last year Argentina had a crop of around 58 million tons. The USDA is currently at 54 million tons. Rosario is going to come out next week with their numbers, the Rosario exchange that is, and apparently they're talking about a crop that's maybe the ceiling being 50 million tons. Now the other forecasts that I see, they calling for rains as far as the private guys here in the U.S. for the weekend with moderate amounts. There's also some chances next week and then some chances again next weekend. So I guess maybe the trade's going to kind of want to see what the amounts and what type of coverage is before making any assertions on what those forecasts are. So there too, more news being awaited, much like the weekly sales and the NOPA crush. The trade again, both in the beans and the meals, saw good jumps in the open interest and on the player sheet. So we continue to see the trade adding to their net longs in the meal and now starting to build a net long position in the beans. We'll see if there's any confirmation on that on tomorrow's commitment of trades report. Meanwhile, they still have modest to small net short positions in the soft red winter wheat, corn, and soybean oil. So we'll see what price action wants to do here today. Follow up with the weather forecast, see what the sales and the NOPA crush has to give us. All in all, once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.